Hey guys, welcome back to Shri and Shiv Plays. In this video, we are going to show the hotel where we stayed for our Part 1 Hawaii trip. We stayed in Holiday Inn Express at Waikiki.
Here's the hotel we are staying in. Yes, you know, it is huge, and we are actually on the 11th floor of this hotel. And yes, you're gonna be thinking, yeah, it's a high view. It's like way up there. It's not counting on the stars. Anyway, yeah. It will just. It's actually do not to the head. It's so cute. It's running away. Okay.
This hotel is a 5-minute walk to Waikiki Beach, and it's close to the Waikiki main shopping strip and all restaurants and shops. The size of the room was okay, and the ocean view was not that great, but we were able to see beautiful sunrise and sunset. We have included a few clips from our stay. Guys, this is the sunrise. Well, it's not really a sunrise, but here's how it looks like at 6 or 7 o'clock in Hawaii time with no sun. We'll update you guys when the sun is back up. We're also waiting for the sunrise from our bedroom. This hotel is a complimentary hot buffet breakfast, included in your stay with a wide variety of breakfast options, from as much as bacon, pancakes, and eggs as you want, fresh fruit, juice, hot coffee, and much more.
Thank you so much.
Raining in Hawaii? It's raining.
Okay, sorry we didn't take our breakfast, but like there's a breakfast thingy over there. So we're almost done with it. As you can see, I got waffles, orange juice, and granola and yogurt. I had waffles and cereal and water, but I already ate the waffles and cereal. But the thing is, guys, today we're leaving Hawaii because this is our last day. So guys, we'll see you on the plane or at home. Bye. So guys, this is actually the walk to Waikiki beach. In the nights, you can't really see the beach. In the morning, you would be able to see the ocean, the sunlight. You would be able to see everything. But because it's night, you can't really see any of that.
Guys, so it's like 8:30 in the morning, and we're walking to the Waikiki beach. This is our final walk. Today is the last day. We're gonna be in Hawaii because we're gonna be leaving soon. So we're gonna take one final walk to the beach. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.